Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening the right menu. Make sure your Moto Edge 50 is on the latest update and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Unlock the device using your PIN or fingerprint so you can change security settings. Now go to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, and locate App Lock or Secure Folder options. Once there, you're ready to create the protected container or enable app locking. This is the first actionable step to confine your folder. You'll now create the secure space and move content inside. Choose Secure Folder or App Lock depending on what your Moto Edge 50 shows, and tap Create or Enable. Follow prompts to set a strong PIN or pattern and register your fingerprint if you want faster unlocking. Next, open the File Manager or Gallery, select the folder or files, and use Move or Add to transfer them into the secure container. Once done, verify the folder requires authentication before opening to confirm protection. Finish by verifying settings and enabling extras that improve security. Test access. Close the secure folder and reopen to confirm the PIN or fingerprint is required. Then enable Auto Lock Timeout and, if offered, backup of secure folder data so you don't lose files if you reset the phone. If something goes wrong, make sure biometric enrollment is current, reboot the Moto Edge 50 and try again. If the lock still fails, delete and recreate the secure folder after noting any important files so you don't lose data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.